Okay, so as the queen of African culture, follow me as I take you on the process of making this our local food called japa okpologo. Yes, in our culture, we are known with this food. Yes, well, this food belongs to Igbo Nsukka. If you go to any house in Igbo Nsukka and they tell you they don't know how to make this food, is a lie. Or it is. So you break it into pieces, then you see the way I'm sitting pretty, arranging myself to pound it. After breaking, you have to pound it. Pound it very well. Then use your shape to filter it very well. Yes, we'll call it in your logo. Yes, use it to filter it very well. So after pounding it, filter, see the way I'm filtering my own. Yes, this is the process of preparing this food called japa. If you want to marry an Nsukka man and you don't know how to cook this food on your own, like they love it, they can divorce you because of this okpologo. So after pounding the first one, the remaining chap have to pound this again. So this is the outcome. This is the end process of pounding until it's high. Beautiful, it was looking. I'm setting my fire now. So this is one food that I love being made with firewood. Yes, it's not about using gas or this Gen Z that like using gas, because you cannot use gas to prepare this food and enjoy it. No, you must use firewood, do it very well, turn it. Like that firewood gives it another taste. So I've set my pot, pour my water, then I will set fire and allow it to boil, because you don't use warm water to make it. No, if you don't use cold water, no, you must use boiled water. Like when I talk of boil, it must boil very, very well. Yes, so at this stage now I'm making sure that my fire is okay. So now I'm trying to cut my okra. Yes, wash it, then wash it very well, make sure there's no any sand. Then I'll cut my okra very well, sitting pretty, cutting my okra. Yes, that's fine, girl. As a queen of African culture that I am, today I am on a culture level to take you on a local level, what we are known from our culture with. Like when you talk of culture, this is our own food. We represent this food like this. So see the way I'm sitting cutting my okra. In those days, my father, they have one particular soup they use in eating this food. Like they call it akwa. Yes, prepared with meat, enough meat, okpeye, and salt. Then they don't have anything called mangi. They use okpeye in placement of that mangi. So they put enough of okpeye inside, prepared, and it tastes very nice and sweet, lovely, like, seriously. Especially during rainy season, rainy period, everywhere is cold like this. You prepare that akwa like this, give it a touch of pepper, like, make sure the pepper is a kind of, oh God, you enjoy it. If you want to marry an Nsukka man, you don't know how to cook this food on your own, because they love it. Their men love this food. They love this food. See the japa, okpologo, they love it. And I thank God that the white people do not colonize also. To make us to stop eating this food. They continue eating it till date. So now the water boil. I want to reduce the water. Yes, you have to reduce it. Then you see this corn flour. You cannot do this without this corn flour. So I have to pour it inside and mix it with cold water. Make sure I mix it very well to avoid seed. Yes, make sure there's no seed inside. Yes, mix it very, very well. Like make sure there's no any single seed. Some people use a chaff from a pap, but I bought normal corn. Then I have to put oil inside my pot. You know why? Some people said that oil will give it a nice color and it will make that japa not to disturb you, like depending on the cassava, so that it will not purge you or anything else. So that's why I put the oil. Yes, and now I'm turning it to make sure it's turning very well for it to done. Like it has to, because if it's not done, if the corn flour is not well done, it will make the japa after doing it like the next day to do as if it's melting, a kind of melting. No, it's not. You have to allow the corn flour to done like very well. You see the way I'm turning it? Fine girl, the queen of African culture herself. On a local level, preparing what we are known with. When it comes to my culture, we don't joke with this. This is what we are known with. In Igbo Nsukka as a whole, yes, we are known with this particular food called japa and okpologo. So I have to put fire inside and make sure it boils very well, because I don't want any story. Don't want any story that touches the heart. I want it to get done very, very well. Like, so I want to make sure that the fire is well. And see the way I tested it to know if it's okay. But now it's not yet okay, so I have to put fire again. Turn, fine girl. I remember those days, if you want to marry, like as a girl, you want to go for ididi, we call it ididi. Your parents will make sure that you know how to cook this food, because your husband can return you back because you don't know how to cook this food. So you must learn how to cook it. Not now that we don't go for EDD again. In those days, you must go for EDD. See the way it's boiling, looking very pretty, beautiful. Oh, bologo japa bani. Gandonasho. So those days, you want to go for EDD. You're going there to know your husband people, then to know you too, their character and all that. But not only that, you're going there for them to test if you can cook. If you know how to cook, my dear, if you don't know how to cook, after the date, you're supposed to come back to your parents, and then your husband people will now come and have his date. If you don't know how to cook, they're not coming. You just find out that they will not come back again. Unlike now that we don't go for EDD again. And thank God. See the way the thing is boiling very well. The cornflour is boiling very well. Yes. So now it's done. I'm putting my okpologo japa. Yes, you have to pour it inside. Like, see the way I'm pouring everything. Oh, this food is so lovely. Like, okpologo. So I'm putting the okpologo inside now. Yes, we'll call it okpologo. You can Google it, you can website it, you can browse it. Yes, okpologo japa. Type it. Google will tell you the details about this food because we don't joke with it. It's on Google. So after pouring it, I'm turning it very well. The queen of African culture. Girl, you're good. Wow. See the way I'm turning it very, very well. Like, God. You turn it very well. Make sure you turn it like. That's why I told you that this food, you must use firewood to make it, to give it the beauty of it, to make sure it tastes very nice. That's very nice. Oh, baby. This is what I'm turning it. Make sure you turn it very well. Make sure that there's no seed. Because some people, if you don't know how to make it, at the end, you will see seed, I swear that. But if you know how to make it very well, you know, see the way I place my leg. But yes. It's bomaya lala. Hey. See the way I place my leg, turning it. This is exactly how it's supposed to go. That's to show that you are perfect. Everything. You are qualified when you talk of okpologo. So, let's assume that I went for EDD and I did this thing. Sharply, I don't win. I don't win like this. I don't win the heart of the people that love okpologo like this. Do you know that in Enugu Ezike, you cannot go to get married to a lady and you not see this food there? You see all those one that people are doing, pounded yam, rice, all those one. You must... in the list of you and your husband, you must include this okpologo inside. If not, you never ready to do that marriage. You see okpologo, they don't joke with it when they are doing their marriage. That's to tell you how we love our culture. We love this food. See the way I'm turning it. You have to turn it very well. Make sure there's no seed inside. This girl, you're good. I tested it and said, no, I have to wait small again. Turn it. Make sure that I turn it very well. Like, it's cool to know how to do this food. You see this food, you cannot find it anywhere if not in Nsukka. And if you see anybody cooking this food in anywhere you're living around you or anywhere as a person, I beg, sister, are you from Nsukka? Are you from any part of Nsukka? Are you from Nsukka? Are you from Enugu? Are you from Obolaf? Are you from Oboliki? Are you from Amala? Are you from Oba? Are you from Obokpa? Are you from Elego Obokpa? Are you from Igbezo? We love this food like Maru. Don't joke with it too. See this food. No matter how you do big man rich, this food they cannot play. Go must eat it. So we love it. You see the way I cover it. This pot no they ever get cover. So many houses so I don't see they get this pot. They know they get cover. Yeah, it's done. Like, our food is getting ready. Like, see the way I'm turning it. Thank you. You have to turn it very well. Make sure there's no seed. This is just the process of preparing this food. So if you want to marry an Nsukka man, just watch this video, learn how to prepare this food. You win the heart of the man. Like, you win the heart of the man because most of our men love this food. They don't joke with it. I am done at this point. The food is ready. I want to mold it to the shape that I want. Yes, when you talk of japa, you must see it looking like this. You're going to see the beauty of this food. Like, I have to turn it, make sure it looks pretty, just the way I want. Then let me tell you a story. If you want to get married to anybody from this part, and you learn how to cook this food, you know how to cook this food, or you learn it from your friend or anything, whenever you see them saying, we want to eat japa, how can we even eat japa, or your sister-in-law saying, Mama, I want to eat japa. Once they are ready to cook it, follow them and go to the market, shop for everything, sit down, cook it. Cook, make sure you cook it, but show them that you know how to do it, that you learn it from me, learn it online how to do it. You see the way you see people posting different food. Have you seen this food online? Because it's our cultural food. we are known with this. In our tradition, this is what we are known with. You see the way he's sitting praying inside that tripan. Oh! Mwabugegbe. Oh! Okpologo mu. Ekubekfu. Ekwembe. Oh! Erichara shabaka. Oh! Egbe. Oh! Johnny. Oh, Sarako. See this fish. There's no way you cook this japa soup without this fish. Hey, God. You see, okra, ugu. Then our obono, yes, cow. See the way I'm sitting down picking the bones. There must be bone inside that fish. Pounding my pepper like, see the way. The lady is asking me, how do you have strength to do these things? Like I say, I'm from here, so I can do that. Why won't I have the strength to do it? This is our pot of soup getting ready. Like, every ngwadongo is inside here. Ngwadongo, igedege ngwe. Eru no we ni. Me ekwembe. So we're getting our soup ready to use and deliquate, kwanda the ogbono and okpologo japa. So you see that our ogbono is coming out. Yes. Our mothers don't joke with this food. Before, if you want to buy this okpologo in the market, 150 self, you can afford this okpologo, 150 like 100 naira. But because of this whole thing of this country, this okpologo you see like this, I bought it 3,800. But before, no, you can get it very cheap. Our soup is ready. You go here now. So now we have to manage to afford it. Some people don't like eating akpo. They will tell you it's okpologo. I don't eat akpo. It's okpologo that I eat. I don't know. Our people, they too love this food. So like this, our soup is almost ready for us to enjoy ourselves. Today, as the Queen of African Culture, I said, I must take you guys on this trip. As the Queen of African Culture that I am, I rep culture. Anywhere you see culture, come in there. Anything concerning culture and tradition, see me in the Africa as a whole. Almost the way they're enjoying the soup, they're enjoying the food. Our local food, okpologo. Ekwembe. Jani, you do you. You do you. Ojego di okpologo kakane or dezibompa. So this is how we cook our okpologo japa. This is how we make it. This is the starting and the ending of the process where we enjoyed it. So guys, I love you. If you enjoyed, drop your comment in the comment section. Love you all.